Welcome to Info Finance Best Abbott Finance channel. We are here to provide you with the latest information and insights on all things finance. From personal budgeting to investing and everything in between, we have everything you need. Our team of experts is dedicated to breaking down complex financial concepts and providing clear, concise explanations to help you make informed decisions about your money. Whether you are just beginning your financial journey or are a seasoned professional, we have something for everyone. Subscribe, like, comment, and share to stay up to date on the latest financial news and join the conversation. In this video we will look at 5 ways to become rich. Be careful until the end, there will be a surprise. Number 5. 1. Have a long-term mindset. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. 1. Don't get discouraged and stay focused on your long-term financial goals. As the saying goes, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, patience, and discipline to achieve financial success. It's easy to get discouraged when you don't see immediate results or when you face setbacks, but it's important to stay focused on your long-term financial goals. One way to stay focused is by setting specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound goals, or SMART goals. By setting SMART goals, you can break down your long-term financial goals into smaller, achievable steps. This can help you stay motivated and on track, and it can also help you track your progress and celebrate your wins along the way. Another way to stay focused is by surrounding yourself with supportive people who share your financial goals. This can be a spouse, a friend, or a financial advisor. Having someone to hold you accountable and offer guidance and support can be a valuable resource in helping you stay focused on your long-term financial goals. Finally, it's important to remember that building wealth is a journey, and there will be ups and downs along the way. Don't get discouraged by setbacks or failures. Instead, use them as learning opportunities to improve and adjust your strategy. By staying focused and committed to your long-term financial goals, you can achieve financial success. Number 4. 1. Cut unnecessary expenses. Take a close look at your spending and eliminate any unnecessary expenses to save more money. One of the easiest and most effective ways to save more money is by taking a close look at your spending and identifying areas where you can cut back. We all have expenses that are necessary for our daily lives, such as rent, groceries, and bills. But there are also many expenses that we might consider unnecessary or discretionary. These are expenses that we don't necessarily need, but we choose to spend money on them anyway. Examples of unnecessary expenses might include dining out, subscription services, or impulse purchases. By cutting back on these types of expenses, you can free up more money to save or invest, which can help you build wealth over time. So how do you identify unnecessary expenses and cut them out of your budget? One method is to track your spending for a month or 2 using a budgeting app or spreadsheet. This will give you a good idea of where your money is going and where you might be able to cut back. You can also try setting a weekly or monthly spending limit for discretionary expenses, or setting a specific savings goal and cutting back on expenses to reach it. Remember, cutting unnecessary expenses doesn't mean you have to deprive yourself or live a frugal lifestyle. It's about being mindful of your spending and making conscious choices about where to allocate your money. By cutting unnecessary expenses and saving more money, you can put yourself in a better position to build wealth and achieve your financial goals. Number 3. Increase your income. Look for ways to increase your income through raises, promotions, or side hustles. One of the most effective ways to build wealth is by increasing your income. There are several ways you can do this, including asking for a raise. If you feel that you are underpaid for your skills and experience, consider speaking with your employer about a raise. Be prepared to demonstrate your value and the contributions you have made to the company. Pursuing promotions. If you are interested in advancing your career, look for opportunities to take on additional responsibilities or move up within your company. 2. This can often lead to a higher salary. Starting a side hustle. In addition to your full-time job, consider starting a side hustle or freelance business to generate additional income. This could be something related to your current field or something completely different that you are passionate about. Investing in your education. Increasing your knowledge and skills can lead to higher-paying job opportunities. Consider taking courses or earning additional degrees or certifications to increase your value in the job market. By increasing your income, you can save more money and invest in assets that can grow in value over time. This can help you build wealth and achieve your financial goals. Number 2. Be strategic with your debts. Carefully consider taking on debt and make a plan to pay it off as quickly as possible. Debt can be a useful tool for financing large purchases or investments, but it can also be a burden if not managed properly. That's why it's important to be strategic with your debts and carefully consider when and how to take on debt. Here are a few tips for being strategic with your debts. Only take on debt for necessary expenses or investments that have the potential to generate a return. Avoid taking on debt for unnecessary or discretionary expenses. Shop around for the best interest rates and terms when taking on debt. A higher interest rate can significantly increase the overall cost of the debt, so it pays to do your research and negotiate for the best deal. Make a plan to pay off your debts as quickly as possible. The longer you take to pay off your debts, the more interest you will pay, which can add up over time. Consider making extra payments or refinancing to a lower interest rate to pay off your debts faster. By being strategic with your debts and making a plan to pay them off as quickly as possible, you can avoid the burden of excessive debt and put yourself in a better position to build wealth. Number 1. When it comes to investing, it's important to remember the saying, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket." In other words, don't invest all your money in one specific asset or type of investment. This is because investing in a single asset or type of investment carries more risk. If that asset or investment performs poorly, you could lose a significant portion of your investment. On the other hand, diversifying your investments means spreading your money across a variety of assets and investments. This can help to spread risk and potentially increase your chances of earning a positive return on your investments. There are several ways to diversify your investments, including 1. Investing in a variety of asset classes. This could include stocks, bonds, real estate, and commodities. 2. Investing in a range of industries. Rather than investing all your money in a single industry, consider spreading your investments across a range of industries to diversify your risk. 3. Investing globally. Rather than focusing solely on domestic investments, consider including international investments in your portfolio. By diversifying your investments, you can potentially increase your chances of earning a positive return and protect yourself against the risk of investing in a single asset or industry. One. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. 1. Diversifying your investments can help to spread risk and potentially increase your wealth over time. Thank you for following us today in this new video of ours. Stay connected, subscribe, like, comment, and share everyday new videos about finance. In the next video we will see the second part of this video. Stay connected and goodbye.